Let's dive into Apache Spark and explore its architecture. In this series, we will provide an overview of Apache Spark architecture. This will help you to understand how Spark works behind the scenes and how the different components interact with each other. Let's look at the core components of the Spark architecture. The key elements are the driver, executors, cluster manager, and worker nodes. The driver is the orchestrator and coordinates the entire application. Executors execute tasks and store data in worker nodes. The cluster manager allocates resources across the cluster. Worker nodes are the physical machines that host the executors. Let us now understand how Spark processes your application through the execution flow. First, the application is submitted to the cluster. Then the driver creates a directed acyclic graph, a logical execution plan. After that, tasks are scheduled and distributed to executors. Finally, parallel processing is done across the worker nodes. The driver node is the brain of a Spark application. It includes the Spark context and Spark session. It is the central coordinator that manages the entire application lifecycle. The key responsibilities of the driver are that it creates execution plans, builds directed acyclic graphs from transformations, schedules tasks to executors, and monitors job progress. Executors are worker processes that execute tasks. An executor is a Java virtual machine process that runs on a worker node. It runs tasks and manages the data cache for fast access. The key functions of executors are to execute assigned tasks, cache data in memory, report status to the driver, and handle data shuffling. This slide shows the complete cluster architecture of Spark. At the top, we have the driver, which is the Spark context and coordination center. The driver communicates with the cluster manager, which is responsible for resource allocation. The cluster manager then manages the worker nodes, each of which has executor Java virtual machines. Let's explore the different types of cluster managers available in Spark. The various ways to manage resources are standalone YARN, Mesos, and Kubernetes. Standalone is Spark's built-in cluster manager for simple deployments. YARN is Hadoop's resource manager for enterprise environments. Mesos is a general-purpose cluster manager for mixed workloads. Kubernetes is used for container orchestration for cloud-native deployments. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this series. The driver orchestrates the entire application and creates execution plans. Executors run on worker nodes and execute tasks in parallel. The cluster manager allocates resources and manages the cluster lifecycle. All components work together to enable distributed processing at scale. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.